intros.
What's up, guys? Welcome back.
What's going on, YouTube? Today we're back with another video.
Nope, not back.
Nope, this is the first video.
Oh, that's on God. Today is our first video.
Yeah.
We got Annalise Lim. Nope.
Yep.
You're supposed to say
Ginger.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
Alright.
I'm Annalise, this is Matthew, that's Owen, that's Jack, and that's Lila.
Hi.
Guys, today we are trying foods from other countries.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, these are mango flavored fruit jellies from,
Yay.
I don't actually know where these ones are from.
It was.
Yo, this looks disgusting, guys.
Wait, I thought it was
Oh,
just
it's a
in the
squirt
middle.
on me. Oh.
Holy shit, dude, that looks disgusting. I don't know.
Dude, this is disgusting.
Oh, it smells so
Oh my god,
bad.
it's like,
I don't want to drink
so
this.
bad.
I don't want to eat this.
okay, I thought it was
Can we skip and go to the next? I really don't want to eat
I don't want to
this
eat this.
I can eat
Yeah.
I'm not eating it.
shit.
It's hard.
I'm not.
I didn't even get
Why
it.
are there hard chunks in it? It's not all jelly, there's hard chunks.
Oh, the seaweed chips.
Wait. 1, 2.
Yep, that thing counts.
You should tell them what we have.
They're seaweed chips. Looks like a turtle.
They're called turtle chips, and it's seaweed flavor.
Yeah, and it says, yeah.
I don't want to smell it when it opens.
Here, I got it. If you're not strong enough, I got it. Oh,
I just don't want to pop it.
alright.
I don't want to pop it. I don't want to pop it. I don't want
Yeah,
to pop it.
so there's a reason there's ridges.
No, don't tear it like that. How do you?
So-
Who opens chips like what?
Yeah, so.
Oh, they don't smell that bad. Okay,
Is that bad? So they
Yeah,
still
yeah,
smell bad.
yeah, just give us. Yeah, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna just take the bag and then pass it down, alright?
Why does it look like that?
It doesn't look like the packaging.
No. Yummy!
That does not look like the packaging.
I thought they were chips. These are like.
Alright, everyone walk in. Ready?
Alright, ready? Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Oh, they're not bad.
I kind
I kind of like them.
Yeah.
Wait, can I have it?
Oh, they taste like kale chips. Yeah, they're kind of good. I'd eat them.
I would not eat that.
Do we have water, like just plain water?
Oh my god, we might need plain water. Ready? Watch this. Ready? Watch this. Ready? Oh shit.
Oh, good job.
Hey, you look pretty sick.
Alright, we need plain water.
Alright, scale of 1 to 10. Those were like an 8.
I give them.
Maybe like a 7.5.
I'll give them a 7.
Seven.
I'll give them a
I'd
7.
say
Overall, a
eight.
7.
I would definitely.
These are raspberry milka.
Java.
What?
They're milk.
Milka.
These are from Germany, not Japan.
Yes.
Oh, yes, I was making a mistake.
These actually look really good.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's
Oh.
puffy. It's puffy.
I wasn't expecting a squish.
Oh, they're good though.
They're not bad.
I don't like the raspberry.
It's kind of got like a weird jello texture.
I still taste the seaweed.
Yeah.
You're crying.
I wouldn't like eat these again.
No.
They're
I wish it was like a harder cookie.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
They're decent.
Did we check the expiration dates on any of these?
No.
Oh,
They were in the store.
oh you're right. Yeah, the raspberry's like a jello.
I'm saying 6.5, 7.
I'm gonna say 6.
I'll give it a 7. It's not terrible.
I'll give it a 6.
I don't like the texture. Okay.
No, you want
I'm sorry, what?
5.
5.
Oh my god, apple flavored drink.
Okay, careful, that's carbon.
Wait, it has Goku on it too. Show them Goku.
If this isn't good, I actually give up on humanity.
Oh wow.
It's marked.
That's a big.
I got a watermelon.
3, 2,
That was 1.
1.
Yeah, that's really good.
It is really good, actually.
That's pretty good.
It just tastes like you're drinking candy, basically.
I mean, I'm not a fan of carbonated drinks, really. So.
I don't like sparkling water. It's just.
Alright, honestly, solid 9.5.
Yeah, I would say 9.
I give it a.
I mean, if I didn't hate carbonated drinks, I'd say 9.5. But since
I'm
I'm
gonna
not a
give
big
it
fan, I'd say like 8.5, 8. Yeah. But it's still really good.
Hello Panda chocolate with other natural flavors. Cream center with crunchy
And
shell.
then the ingredients list, it says
Okay,
here.
thank you.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh
They're
yeah.
kind of mid.
Whoa.
I'll give it like a 7.5.
I say 10.
Pretty good.
All right.
I'm saying
Yeah,
8.5.
1 to 2.
I feel like I could eat that whole bag.
Tastes like plastic.
These are jelly-filled
Hold on, I'm
marshmallows.
gonna bite
Your
it.
jelly filled, can I pop it?
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
I don't like it.
Ass.
Oh my god.
Oh, ass.
Oh my.
Oh, ass.
It's so bad. Oh my god, dude, it's so bad.
They're not good. You guys
Ocean bomb.
You like to drink squirt from
Actually, what?
You drink squirt from the can.
Mamma mia.
It's pretty good soda.
Alright.
3.
2, 1.
I actually kind of liked it.
That's strong.
I like it more than this one.
8.5.
Whoa,
Maybe a 9.
that's a low rating.
I would
I'd
say,
give it a 9.5.
I'd say 9.
Yeah, I'd say 9.
Do your Siri thing.
No, we're just gonna do it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's in my cup. Alright.
I know mine was.
So that's gonna do it for today, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Wait, what's that over there?
Oh.
Cookies.
Oh, well, this is
Oh my god.
Matthew, catch. Good. That was good.
I didn't get it.
Good, that was good.
That was the one.
What is working?
What are these? Gourmet English style wine. Oh. Does it have actual wine in them?
You realize most alcohol cooks out when you make stuff, right? Just saying.
Look like a penis or what?
So Jack doesn't
I
know how to
can't see
drive.
Matthew.
I don't know where the going.
We're just in a parking lot.
I mean, after
Yeah,
all
it's a
this-
confusing
Oh,
parking
be careful
lot.
with that cliff.
Thank you.
Well, you almost hit the people's.
Yeah, it came out of nowhere. What the hell is going on?